So just released a game-changing feature that writes, debugs, and deploys code automatically. We tested it, and freelancers are already making thousands more per month. Here's exactly how. Claude Code is Claude's new native coding feature that understands your project requirements and generates production-ready code instantly. Unlike traditional AI coding tools, it maintains context across multiple files, handles complex architectures, and learns your coding style. It's built directly into Claude, making it faster and more accurate than ChatGPT's code interpreter for developers and creators. Sign up for Claude Pro, open a new conversation, and enable conversation, automated Claude requirements, or existing code. Claude analyzes your structure and generates code blocks you can review, edit, or execute instantly. instantly. Hope you edit or execute instantly. Hope you try it with a simple task first, a web scraper or API endpoint. Within minutes, you'll have working code ready to deploy across your projects. Build custom landing pages without touching HTML. Automate client workflows with Python scripts. Generate React components for SaaS dashboards. Debug existing code in seconds. Freelancers using Claude Code report completing projects 40% faster, directly increasing hourly rates and client satisfaction. Perfect for small businesses needing rapid prototyping without hiring full-time developers. Will always provide context, share screenshots, error messages, or existing code. Claude Code performs best with clear requirements. Claude Pro costs 20 points and includes unlimited code usage. Free users get limited code usage. Free users get limited code usage. Free users get limited code usage. Let's DOP option offers higher limits. Garson's offer. Compare this to hiring developers at 54 per hour. The ROI is immediate and undeniable. Drop a comment. What will you build with Claude Code first? Subscribe for more AI tools that actually save you money and time.